National Lobster Month. If you love digging into a fresh lobster roll during the summer, but the prices at your monger or your local seafood restaurant have you thinking twice, listen up.
Culinary queen Erin Barnhart is here to show us how you could eat amazing lobster rolls at home without breaking the bank. Welcome, Erin. Thank you so much. This has been a thing. I haven't had a lobster roll in like 5 years because it's like it's $30. It's this big. It's like
I know.
It's annoying,
You're hungry 5 minutes later.
But you go to the store and buy frozen lobster.
Frozen?
Yeah, and then you can make it at home for like the price that you would buy when you're at the store. I mean, when you're at the restaurant.
When you're at the restaurant.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Should we get cooking?
Yeah, sure.
100%.
Okay, I thought it would get
I'm gonna
bin chopping. Here's my first question, though.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mayo or butter?
That's what's going to be my first question.
Okay, so Connecticut is butter. I've added some herbs, and then I'm from Atlanta. I'm from down south, so I prefer mayo.
I don't do mayo on anything. Mayo
That's our
doesn't
main
go
style.
in. It's not allowed in the house. Mayo.
Not allowed in the house.
Everyone
Okay.
through the mayo scares me.
I love mayonnaise. However, in my lobster roll, drawn butter all day.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, then why don't we start with the butter? This is our
Fantastic.
Connecticut style. So I already warmed the lobster with melted butter.
So if I went to the grocery store and I got frozen lobster, presumably comes in a bag like next to frozen shrimp and stuff.
Exactly.
Just defrost it in like a colander.
It comes in the bag. You just put it in a bowl of cold water.
Oh.
Cold water, not warm water. Cold water. Yep, and
let
it'll
it
thaw out in no time.
Okay.
It's so easy, I'm telling you.
You want
At the grocery store.
Do you want a thick chop or a thin chop on
Well,
these
I
celeries?
prefer thin chop, but you know, thick is kind of personal preference.
You should have told me earlier. I
Okay,
was
sorry,
already
we're
on the
going
thick
for it
train.
now. We can run the knife through it again.
Thank you so much.
That's right.
The food
Okay,
processor.
So I get a saute pan, butter,
Butter.
melt it.
Melt the butter, warm the lobster, and then we're just going to very simply add lemon, salt, and chive.
That's it?
Yeah, it's so easy. It's so lovely. Here,
Okay.
maybe
Oh,
this will be easier for
thank you.
And that's all there is to it. Honestly, I'm telling you, this is so much more economical than going to the restaurant where it costs. So, I mean, you know, you look at the menu. You see a food truck, exactly. You know.
Can you know this better than I? I'm just gonna.
Yep, it's already measured out. You can
taste
just dump it in.
differently the frozen versus the fresh?
It's just as good. I'm telling you. I've cooked a lot of lobster in my day, and truly, it's like a
I mean,
really
I trust
lovely
you because you
product.
do this for a living. I eat for a living. But you actually, this is your.
I cook a lot of lobster. I cook a lot of lobster, and I'm telling you, this is like so economical and so lovely and easy to do at home.
We do frozen seafood. All our seafood's frozen, and it's all like the shrimp we do is always frozen. If we get at home and we get big packs, it's always cheaper. It tastes just as good. Like it just makes sense.
It's so great, and so you buy it in the bag and you put it in cold water to thaw it out,
We got
right?
the sockeye salmon.
Oh yeah.
More
I like
cheaper.
those.
The
Individual little
thingy thing and the thing.
Yeah, the thing and the thing.
The thing.
Now here's one thing to note. The frozen lobster is already cooked.
It's already cooked.
So we don't want to overcook it because then you're going to get a chewy situation.
Exactly. Truly for this, you just melt the butter and add the lobster.
Done.
2 minutes.
2
and
minutes.
It's done. Lovely.
Okay.
So that's it for the Connecticut style.
Okay.
This is
Do you want to move on to the main?
Okay.
You can put it right in there.
Right in there.
Yeah.
And
okay,
now
so Ben already chopped that for us. So into this bowl, we could do the mayo, lemon, a little dill.
Oh,
yeah,
dill.
and I like a little celery salt. It kind of like, to complement the celery.
I put that on my popcorn. All of this business?
All that goes in there. Yep, you're going to give it a nice stir with that spatula.
Okay, or the
lovely.
whisk. Yeah, and
Here's a
always the
question.
celery salt.
Exactly.
Here's a very important question.
Oh,
That
yes.
smells so yummy.
Bun. What do you get for the perfect lobster roll bun?
So traditionally, this is a top cut white
split
roll.
Right.
Looks like a hot dog bun, but it's cut on the top instead of on the side.
Totally.
But you could get a hot dog bun. I mean, you could put this on anything, obviously.
But the bun means, it matters. The bread is very important.
Don't be
in a lobster
ridiculous.
roll,
The bread, I mean, there's not many components. You see how simple it is,
Do I put
right?
this
So like you
business in
want
here?
everything. You put that business in there, yep.
I did the business.
The business goes in that business.
People that don't enjoy a good dill, dude, they freak me out. You got to have dill.
You gotta have
soups,
good dill.
You got to have dill.
Yes,
Fresh
exactly.
dill. Very
All right,
important.
and now you assemble, and that's it. And,
And now we assemble and that's it. But lucky for you, I already have some assembled.
Through television magic
Okay,
and
you're
Erin's
not
big
a mayo.
heart.
I'm not a mayo.
You're not a mayo guy. Marisol, if
I'll
you'd like
stir.
one-
Do you want me to stir while you just
I'll
shove
taste.
this? You're
I'll
gonna
taste.
have a moment.
I'll test
Is that the
We have a
Connecticut
big
version?
one. This is
this-
the Connecticut version.
This is the cutest kid size.
That's adorable.
lobster roll.
Well, I have many if you want more, but
I'm gonna see
you know,
how we
we
did
thought
here.
it might be easier for you,
You can
to
eat 12
on
of them and
camera.
you'll be fine.
But see, now you can see how easy it is to do at home.
You know what? I'm
So
gonna
much
do this.
cheaper. In this economy, you need like something, right?
Hello.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do this.
exactly.
And
Cheaper than a
potato
tank of
chips.
gas. Yeah.
Cheaper than a tank of gas.
Get
this
a
is
nice
right.
bag of Cape Cods,
Oh my
kettle, right?
Today's lunch
If I
is
can't
brought
say
to you
that.
by
Yeah, right?
Lobster.
Great
Lobster.
job.
And Erin, thank you so much.
Oh my goodness, thank you for having me. What a fun way to kick off the
The
week.
crew's very excited about this. You guys get to eat this.
Yeah.
You guys, please.
For more culinary tips, follow Erin on Instagram at Hey Y'all, it's Erin. What a great handle on Instagram. You can also find this delicious recipe on our very own website at pix11.com. Nobody take this one.
Cheers.
Before we leave,